So that, so I'm going to do this problem 43 times 32 in base 5. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to add 32 3 times. And the way I'm going to, and then I've got to go 4. After I'm done with the 3, I'm going to have to go 4 times 32. And so that is going to be 32 added to itself 4 times, isn't it? That's what 4 times something means, is it means the thing it means 4 of those things, 4 32s added up. All right, so that's the game plan. That's where we're going. And so here we go. So I'm going to begin by taking this 32 off to the side, and I'm going to add it to itself. Start with twice. You know, eventually I'm going to get 3 of them. So here we go. I'm going to add 32 with 32. 2 and 2 is 4. I'm adding in base 5. Remember, everything I do here is base 5. 3 and 3, put this down here. 3 and 3 is 6, but we can't have a 6 in base 5, can we? In base 5, you're never going to see a 5. You know that, right? Base 5, you're never going to see a 5 or higher. Or higher. So we can't have a 6. What do? We subtract 5 and carry 1. That leaves 1 here. The next column is also 1. There we go, 1, 1, 4. You good with that? You know adding quite well, right? So I just added 3 and 3 got 6. That was too much. I had to carry away 5. Remember, you always carry the base amount. You carry or borrow the base amount. That's the homework you just did. You know it quite well. You carry or borrow the base amount. So I carried away 5. That's why I subtracted 5 right there. Right there, I subtracted 5. Here, my screen, there it is showing it. So I subtracted the 5, leaving a 1. So 1, 1, 4. Now, what is that? That is 2 times 32, isn't it? Right? Because that's 32 added to itself twice. Right? That became that. Right? I added 32 twice, so that's 2 32s, isn't it? 114 is 2 32s. I need 3 32s, so I got to do another one. You tracking with me? I got to do 1 more 32, and then I got to do 1 more after that to get the 4. All right, so here we go. Let's do another one. I'm going to add 32. Again, you just keep adding 32s. You just take the number in the top and you just add it to itself again and again and again and again. That's how we're doing the multiplying. So here we go. 4 and 2 makes 8, but we can't have an 8 in base 5. What do? Subtract 5 leaves a 3, carry. Right? You got to carry. Because we can't have.
Wait, if we're adding, wouldn't that be 6, not 8?
Oh, you're right. What am I doing? I'm being crazy. Thank you. I don't know. I'm just whacking out there. It is 6. Thank you. That was really crazy. 6. But anyway, we can't have a 6. It just leaves 1. Thank you. That was really a crazy thing I did there. So thank you. So 6 minus 5 is 1. And now, next column. Yeah, because we're adding. You're right on. We're adding, not multiple. I just wigged into multiplying for a minute. We're adding. So 4 and 2 adds to 6. We can't have that. Subtract 5 and carry. 1 and 1 and 3. What's that? Well, that's just, that's 5. Hold on here. That's 5, but we can't have 5 either. In base 5, we're never going to see a 5. Can't have 5. So subtract 5 leaves us 0 and carry. And 1 and 1 is 2. So 201. Now what is that? That's 3 32s, isn't it? We've added 32 3 times so far. Everybody seeing that? We've added 32 3 times. So we can do our first step up here. 3 times 32, what is it? 201. and we've done half the problem. Really, we've done a lot more than half. Does that make sense so far? We've just figured out what 3 times 32 is. It's 201 because we added 32 to itself 3 times. It's 201. And now I need to figure out what 4 times 32 is. So I got to add one more. So let's go down here and let's add one more 32. So 2 and 1 makes 3. 0 and 3 makes 3. And 2 is just 2. We never had to carry. That was nice because we never hit 5 or more. So that is 4 times 32 right there. So we know what 4 times 32 is now because we just added 32 to itself 4 times. So that's 4 times 32. So let's bring it up now. Bring it on up here. Now, what am I, so 2, 3, 3. Am I going to write it? I bet you know. Am I just going to write it? That's not right, is it? I'm not just going to write 2, 3, 3 right there. What's wrong with that? What do I have to do instead?
You add them together?
I'm going to add them, but I first have to add what there?
Oh, wouldn't you have to add like a zeros place?
Perfect. Yeah, you got to, remember you got to add a 0, don't you? And then put the 233, right? Just like we do in our multiplying, right? Now, why? I hope as you become a math teacher to younger folks, you're going to give them the reasons why. I hope you make it clear that math has reasons for everything it does. There's not just random rules. Why? Why do we add a 0 there?
Because you need to add that place to, because how do I explain this?
Remember, we're multiplying by the 4. Right?
So
and where's the 4?
give it an extra space in order to make it known that's a bigger value than the.
Yeah, good, exactly. Yeah, that 4 is a bigger value. It's one place over, isn't it? It's not really a 4, it's a 40, right? That's what's really happening in the base system. Yeah, exactly. That's why we add that 0, because you're not really multiplying by 4, you're multiplying by 40. It's one place over, so we got to add a 0 to shift everything one place over. See, it's all about our place value system that we're doing now. And that's what's true. It's not a 4, it's a 40. Yeah, good. Excellent. I hope you will teach that way also to help the younger folks see that math has reasons. It's just logic in motion. That's all it is. All right. Yeah, let's finish up. We got to add these, don't we? The last thing is we got to add them. Here we go. 1 and 0 is 1. 3 and 0 is 3. 2 and 3 is 5. And 2, we're done. Actually, I just messed up, didn't I? What's wrong with what I just did? One small mistake.
You have to get rid of the 5 because there can't be any 5s or higher.
Good job. Good job. I know it's so easy to forget the base. After all that work, you're like, I'm done. No, you can't leave base 5. You got to remember you are in base 5. So you're never going to see a 5 or higher. This cannot be here, right? Yeah, good job. That can't be there. So what do we do then? We got to fix that. That has got to, let me move these things down where they guess. This is 3. This is 1. Yeah, this 5, we've got to subtract 5, so it's 0 and carry, and then this is 3. 3031 is the real answer. You don't want to do all that good work and then forget right at the end, right? You got to stay in base 5, which means you're never going to see a 5 or higher. If you do, you got to carry. So I had to carry. So it's 3031. Now it's correct. That's the right answer to the problem. Any questions I can answer on that one? Is that making good sense for you?